Welcome back, folks. This week we spend a night next to this epic waterfall and head on to drive to our favourite road in Scotland, the A82 to Glencoe, stopping at Fort William for supplies and heading to Mam Ratagan for Instagram-worthy views. Let's go! So you pick us up in the Caledonian Pine Forest, or Caledonian Mountain Pine Forest, here in Scotland. How are you enjoying yourself, Kez?
I'm having a fabulous time.
Excellent. Oh, it's lovely here, isn't it?
Nice fresh evening. No one around, birdsong, waterfalls.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Just having a little wander through the forest.
Oh, there's the trickle of the water.
Water everywhere, isn't there? Flowing. Beautiful sounds.
Yeah, it's stunning. It's, I'm not quite sure where this trail leads. I don't think it's a circular route, is it?
Well, no, we have walked onto a walk. We've got no idea where it goes. We walked across from where we were parked, across a bridge, up a path, and then it said, hey, go this way. No signs anywhere else. It said, hey, go this way. Caledonian Mountain Pine Forest. So we said, hell yeah. And it's been uphill ever since.
Yeah.
Probably where the mountain bit came from.
There's a people parked opposite. Well, I mean, all I can say is about 20 waterfalls.
Yeah, just water everywhere, isn't it? It's epic.
Yeah, and there's portaloos.
Portaloos, what a win.
So,
Win for the team.
It's a van life, you know. And they're very clean. Oh, this is, yeah.
A couple of picnic benches as well, which might have our dinner on later.
This looks like a bit of a hill.
Frank stopped.
It's having a sniff stop.
Doesn't look anything on the camera.
It never does, does it? That's the thing.
It's like, what hill?
Whenever you try and show a gradient, it never comes out.
We finished up a walk and headed back to the van, grabbed a cheeky beer and sat by the river and took in the sights and sounds. Honestly, it was so peaceful here, it was amazing. On the menu tonight, vegetable soup. We've sat by the river until the sun went down, so it's a late dinner for us. Good morning, Frank. Little setup for this morning. Just doing some dishes. Living that high life, aren't we, Kez?
Yeah, just doing some cleaning. You know?
So yeah, woke up this morning next to a river, next to a torrent of waterfalls. Went out and messed with the drone this morning. Took some nice drone shots. A couple of people stayed over in the car park with us. I see people of all ages and whatnot enjoying being out here. I think that's what we love to see, isn't it? Is you're just seeing people like camping, enjoying the outdoors. It's like everyone comes here to enjoy the outdoors, which is lovely. And it's quite a cool bridge we're going over right now. Nice little view over here. I mean, that's what I'm saying. There's just like views everywhere whilst I'm talking. Oh wow, that is lovely, isn't it? Oh, you want to get up and have a look at the view, Frank? You want to have a look at the view? So yes, off to the supermarket, Morrison's, we think this time. Get some butteries. Tried a softie yesterday. That sounds weird. We tried some softies. So I was trying to find butteries and got told that, well, I think when I asked for butteries, it was translated as batteries, which is not correct. And so yeah, found out from the fella in Co-op that butteries are not as accessible down where we were. It's more of a northeastern thing. So we're on our hunt for butteries. Then we're going to Fort William. That's not northeast. Off to get the butteries. Not batteries. The A82, one of our favourite roads in Scotland to drive. It's truly unmissable. We joined it at the Bridge of Orchy and headed to Glencoe. It's truly a place to be marvelled at. Mountains and vast landscapes. We feel it's one of the most scenic roads to take here in Scotland. Let us know in the comments what your favourite road is to drive in Scotland. driving through Glencoe at the moment. It's lovely, isn't it? These huge mountains either side of us. This is amazing. Still a bit of snow on the mountains. I mean, it's the tiniest bit of snow, but still snow. We're just off to Fort William, going supply up.
Because it's someone's birthday tomorrow.
Oh, yeah, it's my birthday tomorrow. So we're going to go and get some Scottish treats. Where have we been just now? So we were going to go and stay at the Glencoe Mountain Resort, where you can park there overnight, and you can use their showers for £1 for 5 minutes. So that's a treat for us. But we didn't do that because we've got to go to Fort William, so we skipped that park up. We went and had a look at James Bond Skyfall Road. That was pretty cool. I'm a big James Bond fan, so that was pretty sick. Yeah, don't yawn. It's quite nice, isn't it? Quite a quaint little house, you can see there.
Guest house or something.
But yeah, so we went and saw the James Bond Skyfall Road. That was sick. Turned around, a beautiful drive. Loads of people camping along there, like the tents. That was lovely. We might go back on our way back home and stay there. We were just saying how beautiful the drive is. Like everywhere is just amazing to look at. As I'm talking to the camera now, there's another mountain in front of me. There's a loch by the side of me. It's just amazing. I'm glad I'm not driving because I get to stare at everything.
Because when you drive, you do stare.
Yeah, because when I drive, I still stare at things and almost kill us. No, I don't. Maybe a couple of times. And then we'll head off to our next park up, which has got a fantastic view. I mean, everywhere's got a fantastic view here, but let's go. We hit up Morrison's and then popped past this community hall for some free drinking water. Found this on our travels last year. Cheers, guys. Welcome to Mam Ratagan. Find out what we got up to here and where we went to in episode 4 of our Scotland trip. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this with someone you love. Maybe they'd like to come to Scotland. Leave us a comment below and say hi, and until next time folks, bye for now. Brings me down.